Then, yun yung sinasabi ni Ariana Grande, di ba? Thank you.
Next!
Wow! Uy, pero girls, hearing your stories made me realize na hindi pala ako nag-iisa. Di ba, lahat tayo, kanya-kanyang girls, kaya hindi dapat ini-invalidate ng mga lalaki at ng ibang tayo nararamdaman natin. Kung pakipot tayo, sobrang insensitive tayo, madalas tayo magtampo, it's because we've been through a lot. Marami tayong napagdadaanan na we never expected na makakaya natin. So this time, I wanna know you personally. How about your past relationships? Ikaw, Kate?
Ako sa totoo lang, yung past relationship ko, galing ako sa long term. Tapos parang almost 6 years kami. Ayun, basta almost 6 years kami. Basta ayun, during that relationship, I realized a lot but I didn't regret being in that relationship kasi talagang nag-end up kami ng maayos and yung cause ng breakup namin is para makalabas ako sa comfort zone ko kasi sobrang naging dependent ako dun sa relationship na yun kasi parang live-in na kami, ganun yung nangyari. So, sobrang naging toxic kami. Minsan kasi pag toxic na yung relationship, iniisip mo na binibigay lang yan sa'yo ni Lord para sa challenge but you didn't see yung other side na kaya kayo binibigyan ng parang toxic na scenario kasi God really wants you to remove that person in your life because that person is not good for you.
Exactly.